Engage 4.0 has officially arrived, bringing a range of new features and options tailored for both enterprise and educational users. Our whiteboard system has been completely overhauled and now supports the Logitech MX Ink Stylus, enabling multiple participants to collaborate in real time or take individual notes on personal draw pads. You can also anchor whiteboards and draw pads to flat surfaces, providing tactile feedback for more precise writing and drawing during Engage sessions. Additionally, MX Ink support is now integrated into our spatial drawing feature, allowing you to sketch freely from any position in 3D space. We're also proud to introduce a new 2D video recording option that lets you position multiple cameras in any session and record high-quality footage directly to your device, making it easy to create professional-looking videos in real time. Our AI creator tool has received numerous updates and improvements, empowering users to develop and train AI-controlled characters within Engage using cutting-edge AI models.
I am Marie Curie, a physicist and chemist, and it is a pleasure to share my life and work with you.
In line with how our platform is used, we've also updated our terminology by replacing Content Editor and Content with Experience Editor and Experiences, respectively. For enterprise users, we've added activity logs that collect and store group data, facilitating analytics and tracking. Lastly, we've implemented limits on the number of LEAP users who can join persistent sessions, as well as sessions or events with access restrictions. These limits are determined by the license of the session or event creator, or by the group that owns the persistent session. To view all the changes we have made, please download Engage today or visit our website.